You gotta be real. You need to come and see me. Hello everyone, this is your Black China doll coming in today with a bidet, y'all. Yes, honey, I am gonna be booty bougie, okay? We gonna be installing this today, the Hibbent bidet. You guys are gonna see me open this, go through the parts, and then the installation. I will attach the link below. Cause baby, if you're not booty bougie, what are we doing? Okay, let's go through all of the parts. Okay, we get this tube here, and then this part here, and then this part here. And this is the actual bidet. Okay, so we're gonna install that, and you just sit back and watch. Okay guys, we're gonna be installing a bidet today, but of course I have to get me a helper. Get me a helper, and who will be helping us today is Mr. Fix. So he will be taking off the toilet seat, and let's get that done first.
Okay, we're taking off the nut from the toilet seat to remove the seat.
Make sure to keep up with all the screws from the toilet seat. You don't want to lose them. The removal of the toilet seat is complete. Okay guys, we jumped ahead a little bit. We have attached the toilet seat back on and put the bidet on. Now we're screwing it down. Okay guys, slight problem with my bidet install. So my house is an older house, and you may come into this problem where your water line, this line right here that came with the house, doesn't fit what they give you in the box, which is this. So I had to get a slip joint adapter, which is this, from Home Depot. Okay, so now I needed to get that. Then I had to also, excuse me guys, I had to also get another one of these, another toilet hose. So this is the one originally from my house. So we had to get a new one to fit the slip joint adapter. Now we're back in business. So let's see what happens. No worries, the adjustment costs under $10. Before you get to this part, you must turn off your water and empty the toilet bowl. Now we are attaching the toilet hose back to the tank. Make sure you use plumber's tape to seal all of your connectors. This way it'll assure that there is no leaks. If there are leaks, go back and tighten your connectors. Okay, now we are attaching the bidet hose and making sure that we have enough plumber's tape on all the connections. Here we are attaching the connector that comes with the bidet. This is very important because this connection will connect the toilet to the bidet. Please use plumber tape on all connections so that you will Tighten them up as much as you can to assure there are no leaks. Now we are connecting the bidet hose to the connector. Now we have to go back and adjust something, but remember, you can take your time and readjust as many times as possible. So now we are reconnecting this hose to the toilet. Now we are connecting the bidet hose from the connector to the bidet. Once you've done that and checked all your connections, turn back on your water. And now we are ready to use the bidet. For cleaning, you hit this button. For feminine, here is where you adjust the amount of power on the side, and this is for the undercarriage. Okay, and that is all of the buttons for the bidet. Okay, you can put this down and it'll just stay while you're cleaning, and then here, hit the off button when you're done. Okay guys, that concludes our installation of the bidet by Hibbent. I have attached the link down below if you wish to get you one of these. You can from Amazon. Remember, if you have an older house, you may even make some adjustments, but it sure will be refreshing. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, be safe out there in these streets. Be kind to one another, and try to stay out of trouble. Stay fresh. Bye.